Understanding from the very onset. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, from the very onset. This expression is commonly used, but what does it really mean? Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master it in no time. Stay tuned. From the very onset is a phrase that implies from the beginning or start of something. The word onset refers to the beginning of an event or process. Adding from the very before onset emphasizes that something has been the case since the very beginning, without any delay or waiting period. It's a way to stress the immediacy or the initial stage of a situation or action. This phrase can be used in various contexts, such as describing experiences, processes, or events. It's particularly useful when you want to emphasize that a certain condition or state was present right from the start. Here are some tips on using it. Combine it with past or present tense depending on the context. Use it to highlight continuity from the beginning until now. Apply it in formal and informal settings. It's versatile. Let's go through some examples to see how from the very onset can be used in sentences. 1. From the very onset of the project, we faced numerous challenges. This shows that the challenges began at the start of the project. 2. She showed her dedication from the very onset. This indicates that her dedication was evident right from the beginning. 3. From the very onset of the season, the team demonstrated exceptional skill. This sentence highlights that the team's skill was apparent from the start of the season. When using from the very onset, be cautious not to confuse it with similar phrases that might change the meaning of your sentence. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Do not replace onset with words like beginning redundantly. Saying from the very beginning onset is incorrect. Ensure the context is clear so that the phrase enhances rather than confuses the message. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of from the very onset. Remember, it's all about emphasizing the start of something. Whether you're describing the early challenges of a project or the initial display of talent, this phrase can add depth to your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.